But we are doing a voiceover on this because my original voice did not work for some reason. So doing this quick Huntley home makeover video as we are having windows replaced from Advanced Windows in Chicago. We called a couple different companies. This is who we picked on. This is who we selected. So this is the first, that was the first window. We didn't do anything in that room. And then these are the two windows that we're kind of just highlighting a little bit. So they actually just came in, they cut out the old windows with a Sawzall and then left the existing trim. They came in, cut out the old wood, took out the old windows, and then they've been kind of working outside and inside at the same time. They've done a really good job making sure the windows are square, plumb. They've been quick. They came in through, you can see the insulation they're putting in, the spray foam on the sides. And they put some kind of other insulation or tape on the other side too, but it worked really good. But they're filling in all the gaps. There's like no wind coming in these windows at all. This is very nice, and it's low E glass. This is another window that they're working on, kind of the same thing. Smaller one of the 17 we had redone, but these were really drafty windows, and now there's almost nothing. So really happy with everything that they've done so far. Looking forward to seeing these other windows. I got the big one put in there, and I took a time-lapse video of them putting in the big window. So that'll be coming up here soon. And then again, these other windows that they're putting in. I don't remember what I was saying in this. It doesn't really matter. These guys did a great job in all the stuff that they did with the windows, cleaning up their messes. We've just been really impressed with them. So at some point here really soon, the time lapse is going to start for the really big bay window. Yeah, I don't know. You'll see it in, oh, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey everyone, David Cook, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper and Huntley Home Makeover. So we are here and it is freaking cold today. Last 3 days ago it was 74 and I was picking raspberries. Today it's 22 and snowing. So we've had 3 days in a row of snow. It's kind of sticking, kind of not, but anyway. So the last couple of weeks it's been a pretty good eye-opener because we had the old windows and man, they leaked bad and we finally got new windows. So it's just kind of a testimonial also. We went through a lot of different companies and we settled on Advanced Window in Chicago. The price was amazing and their installers have been great. They were here yesterday and it's just as cold as it was today. They took out the old bay window, all the rotten wood, replaced everything. They're doing all the finishing touches on the outside to get it all sealed up and looking good, caulked everything. The only thing they don't do is the insides. So I'll do another video and I'll just tag it on here and make it one. But the only thing they don't do is the inside trim. I told them I'd do that and also to save a little bit of money. But the difference, oh my gosh, night and day difference as far as how much better this was last night. No more windy windows, no air blowing through. And from the second floor over here down, I swear it was like a wind tunnel coming down the stairs. That is all gone now. So it was a huge difference last night. We were able to turn the thermostat down and the temperature stayed almost all night. It was great. These guys have been doing amazing work, exceptionally clean, no trash anywhere on our property. They've taken every single scrap of rotten wood, pieces of broken wood, everything they've cleaned up. It's been great. 17 windows, they got here yesterday at 10. They left at 4. They had put them all in and sealed them. And they got here today, it was about 11. And they're putting all the final touches on caulking the outside and putting the flashing aluminum, I don't remember what it's called, aluminum, to make it look all nice and pretty. But they've been great. Again, I can't say enough. Advanced Window in Chicago, kudos. These guys are awesome. So definitely 5 stars plus, and we'll be recommending you to everybody. But there's our updates, and then I'll tag another video after this one, and I'll show you the inside.